You guys are going to love this beautiful kit from Peekaboo Creek Designs. It is amazing. I did a full video reveal on the papers and it was a corrupt file. I had to delete it and I had already started cutting it apart. So I took some photos of what I've been working on. This is a massive kit and you've got to check it out. The link to the store and the kit will be in the description box down below. I hope you guys get this. It is Gothic, it is romantic, it is stunning, and it is for sale on Etsy. So check it out. Don't miss out this Halloween season creating with this spooky, romantic, beautiful kit.